i-harvest ngayon itong kamote. At meron kaming i-harvest dito na ubi yam at saka winged yam.
9 months na yung nakalipas nung tinanim ko itong mga kamote na nag-sprout sa aking pantry. Kinuha ko lang yung tip part na merong sprout at yung ibang part niya ay niluto ko. Tinakpan ko lang ito ng lupa pero merong part pa rin na nakalitaw. At ito naman yung ubi yam na itatanim ko pero hindi ko siya itatanim ng buo. Kukunin ko lang itong tip part tapos yung ibang part niya ay patutubuin ko na naman ulit para mas madami yung ating maitanim. Gusto kong padamihin itong ubi yam dahil mahal kasi ito at wala pa masyadong mabilhan ng ganito. Itong next na itatanim ko naman ay winged yam. Yung dahon niya halos kapareho lang din ng ubi yam at medyo malaki yung kanyang tubers kaya hahatiin ko ito para mas marami yung maitatanim natin. First time ko lang magtatanim nitong winged yam at hindi ko rin natikman pa ito pero kasing lasa daw niya ang patatas at saka taro. Meron na ako ditong 3 winged yam na itatanim dahil yung isang plant ay na-split ko into 3. Malalaki daw maglaman itong winged yam at minsan yung isang laman niya ay umaabot ng 30 kilograms. Ginagamit nila itong pang-substitute ng patatas. Low maintenance kasi ito dahil ito ay drought tolerant at pest resistant. 1 week after planting ay ganito na yung kanilang itsura. November 2024 nung naitanim ko itong mga ito. Drought tolerant itong mga ito kaya tinanim ko sila dito sa garden bed na hindi ko masyadong nabibisita. And 3 months later ay malalago na sila. Ang kagandahan dito sa mga kamote, purple yam at winged yam ay pwede mong kalimutan pagkatapos mong itanim. Hindi ka na mapapagod kakadilig sa mga ito dahil drought tolerant naman sila. Babalikan mo na lang sila kapag ka ready for harvest na. Basta lagyan mo lang ng trellis itong ubi yam at winged yam para makaakyat sila. At ito na ang aming harvesting time, 9 months after ko silang maitanim. Pang 3rd month of winter na dito sa amin kaya wala na masyadong dahon yung ubi yam at saka winged yam. At yung mga bata ay gusto pa munang mag-snacks ng mga mint leaves bago kami mag-harvest.
Nothing else. Do not eat these leaves. This is the best day ever.
I'm going to cut.
Going to look. Cut. Yum.
Excuse me. Can you find some kamote?
Whoever finds Tomas' first will win.
Okay. Go find it.
Try to win. Must be here. Yes.
Oh, this part of the winged yam.
I
Please
think
put this
that the
away.
wind. I see something, Mama.
Wow, it looks so weird.
I could pull that.
Wow! That's a big one, huh?
Yay!
Put there in this tray.
Big.
Look for more.
Mama, get another snail. Here. Get the mincemeat. I'm good at it. I see a patola, Dada. Patola.
Oh yeah.
I see something, Dada.
You see something?
Yeah. Come on. Way, with
Naputol.
cheese. Naputol. Wait, this.
Yeah.
Wait, this. William. Yes. This is
Ito transplant namin, natabunan siya. Dwarf capsicum.
the big fat one. Still need to Dig.
Ooh.
I do it.
Did you get a big one?
Yeah. Mama,
Thank
get
you, Mika.
something. Wait.
Oh, I find something!
Purple? Not purple again.
Oh, wow! I put it in the tray.
I think your plate.
Na-harvest naman namin itong
Purple, yeah.
purple yam or ubi yam.
Ooh,
Ooh.
I found some.
It's big!
It's big. Leave the
Oh
snail.
my god! Oh, I'm going to pull it.
Snail.
Yeah, yeah.
Snail.
1, 2, 3. Oh, naputol. Ah, is this the purple yam? It doesn't look purple. I think it's a winged yam.
Yes. Wing them.
It's a winged yam.
Yes. First wing them.
Ang alam ko dito sa gilid yung purple yam. Maybe the purple yam died. The purple yam died. Oh, winged yam kasi tingnan mo yung kung paano siya maglaman. Dikit-dikit siya eh. Oh, this is another winged yam.
Let's take another.
Oh, this one looks like it's huge. 1, 2,
It's
3.
It's bitten.
Ay, ganito lang.
Ganito lang.
Ganito lang siya. This is the last winged yam.
Wing yam.
Yeah. Here. Here you go. 1, 2, 3. I'll pull it.
I pull it.
Ganito pala siya.
Ganito tayo pa.
Winged yam.
Wing
Ano
yam.
kayang lasa nito? Tikman nga natin ito.
Wing yam.
Hindi pa namin natikman itong
Wing
winged
yam.
yam.
Let's see the wing yam.
I think we've lost the there's another kamote here. Oh,
Come on.
kamote. Namatay yata yung tinanim ko na ubi yam. Maybe this is the ubi yam.
Oh.
Ito yata. Ha? Ito lang?
Ito lang.
Ito lang? Ito yata yung...
Ito lang.
Ay, oo, ito yun. Pang ano na lang to, pang tanim ulit. This is the only ubi yam we got. Oh no! I'll get this winged yam. Bakit nyo kinuha pa to? Bakit nyo kinuha yan? You cannot eat that. That's too tiny.
Pumason.
Ito lang yung nakuha namin na ubi yam. Kaya isa-set aside ko na lang ito na pangtanim ulit.
Harvest. Harvest.
Ito na yung aming na-harvest na kamote, winged yam, and ubi yam.